Did you know that some Facebook page actually hides their review? In this short video, I'm going to show you how you can do it. So let's go. Alright, I think a quick story time won't hurt, but let me show you how I actually stumbled into this. So I was searching for example like this, a wedding photographer, and then I saw that there's no reviews here, and I can't find the reviews. Even when I click reviews given, it's empty. But when I find another page, I found the reviews here, and then when I click on it, I can see all the reviews. So I was like wondering, you can hide a review? So apparently yes, you can. Okay, now when I go to my page do have reviews, and I do notice some of the reviews are actually spam. Like for example, this one, like Mr. Cullen Marshall or Mrs. Rhoda Albert. We know all these are spam, but I just keep it there because it's recommended, right? But anyway, it shouldn't be, and it should be filtered out. So I think that could be the reason. Maybe they have a lot of spam, a lot of scams. That's why they have to hide the reviews. So yeah, let me just show you quickly how you can do it. It's very easy. So you go to your page, and obviously in new page experience, you need to go click here, switch to my page. Okay, just click switch profile, and you should be able to see this profile change to your profile. It's different picture, yeah. My page with the yellow background. Okay, so you can see there's a rating review here. How to hide it? Okay, once you change to this page profile, click on top right, go to settings and privacy, go to settings, go to privacy, go to page and tagging, and then you can see here, allow others to view and leave reviews on your page. All you have to do is just tick this and done. Okay, now you go to your page again, and you can see the review icon is gone. So you cannot see the review anymore. Alright, so yeah, it is that simple. It is so easy to just hide the review from your page. If you receive any spams and you want to clear things out, this could be a way for you to do it. But it all depends on you how you want to use it. Alright, if you like what I share, do give me a like and subscribe to this channel, and I see you next time.